Okay. Ma'am, may kumakalat po kasing social media post na meron daw pong 45 billion pesos na allocation ang House of Representatives sa 2025 budget. Can we clarify this po? Kasi marami po nagsasabi na itong 35 billion daw na to na sinasabing allocation sa House of Representatives is parang grotesque daw po or nakakarimarim daw po, as they said. While yung the Office of the Vice President daw po na nagbibigay ng serbisyo sa publiko, binigyan lang po ng 738 million. So, a little, clarification. Saan po nanggaling po itong 35 billion pesos po ng House of Representatives po, ma'am?
Di ko alam kasi sabi ko kanina wala rin akong information dun sa specific budget. Baka galing na naman sa Marites yan. So, I have no comment on that.
So, hindi niyo po, ma'am, na-check yung allocation ng House for this year? Wala po, ma'am.
I have no information on the allocation for the budget of the
For this year
budget
po,
for
ma'am.
the SONA.
Hindi, ma'am, for this year po, ma'am. Yung buong House of Representatives po, ma'am. Wala po,
Wala
ma'am.
po.
Okay. Ma'am, last question na lang po, ma'am. Kasi last week gumugong na pinaalis daw po sa opisina niya si Deputy Speaker or former Deputy Speaker Duke Frasco. And of course, may mga rumors or merong mga conjecture na he's being primed as the black horse or the dark horse daw of the speakership. Do you think po ba is Kong Duke Frasco would he be allowed to run as Speaker of the House of Representatives po ba? Do you think po ba okay po ba sa House members na merong kumalaban kay Kong Martin?
Again, mahirap mag-comment on Marites questions, pero I think lahat naman may karapatan bilang House member, no, to run for the speakership. What I have as from credible sources are the 280 plus manifesto of support for Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Okay. Sige po, ma'am. Thank you po, ma'am.